In this series of videos, we're going to cover the GIS module in RigNav. A wide area GIS capability has been integrated within the RigNav software, and what this allows is users to create interactive map displays, analyze spatial information, and present the results of all these operations in reports. There's a couple different ways you can access the GIS window. The first way is clicking on the Setup tab and clicking on GIS. Or you can open up the Explorer by clicking on View and clicking on Explorer, expanding the Setup tab and clicking on GIS. So the first thing we're going to do is add a new GIS layer. We're going to be importing some SHP files. So to do that, we're going to click on the drop down menu right here and click on Shapefile. And what you need to do here is you're just going to browse to the file structure of where all your shape files are at. And here we go. So the first one I'm going to load in is the states. And I'm going to click on Open. And then we need to select our source CRS. If you click the drop down, all the CRSs available are all the ones that we have set up in this project. However, when you're loading in a new layer, you need to select the CRS that pertains to this specific layer. And if you look in here, you'll see WGS 84. So that is what we're going to select. And click on OK. And here's our states layer. And if we go over to the map and zoom out, you'll see our states layer there is now populated on the 2D map. So I'm going to go back into our Explorer tab, and I'm just going to add a couple more shapefile layers. I'm going to go with the pipelines. And so right here we've got NAD 27. I'm going to add another one. We'll go with the blocks. And if we go back over to our map display, you'll see that we have all the blocks on the map now. And if I shut that layer off, you'll see all the pipes. So this concludes importing GIS layers. In the next video, we're going to cover editing the default styles for these layers.